next one. That way you guys can alternate, okay?
My name is Yuri Orozco. I have the students building the walls for my home. I was cooking for our crews over there at the Mines Project, and I was cooking for about 350 people, and the lines on the propane was leaking and it blew my propane tank, which in turn burned my house down. It's very heartwarming. When I first heard about it, I was very excited. Well, I'm still very excited. I think it's a great thing. I really do appreciate it very, very much.
It's great knowing that I'm able to help someone that unfortunately had their house burned down.
We are super excited to have you guys here. We are always very focused on trying to develop new talent and helping out young adults like yourselves that want to do something and are not quite sure exactly what that is. So anytime we can help with that, it makes us happy, and we like helping our community by being able to help out some of these young guys like you guys. So today we're very excited and happy to have you here. Great. If you look around, there's a lot of smiley faces. Some of the guys are very, very into it. And when we started asking them questions about things that we talked earlier, they remembered, they paid attention, they gave me the right answers. Some didn't quite remember and forgot, but that's part of the process of learning. So I think it's going well. You guys are doing a pretty good job. Like you can see, we already have 8 walls built, so it's a pretty good day, pretty productive.